Hello guys, in this video I will show how to change grid bureau, front color and back color dynamically in ASP.NET C#. Click on the grid view, click on the go to the property and click event, double click on the row databound event or press enter. This is the row databound event. Now I'm gonna add the code for loop. For integer I equal to 0, it will loop and check the condition what I will apply. Then according to the condition, the grid view row front color and back color will change. Integer I equal to 0, I less than grid view 1 dot rows dot count, I plus plus, close the bracket. Second bracket start and int integer st stock. This is the I just declare a variable as stock and convert 32. Stock is 30 integer data type, that's why I declared it to integer both 3 grid1 dot rows I and dot cell 4. In the grid view index is 4, that's why I just declared 4, and one is a stock, and the second variable is a reorder label role. It's also integer data type. I will compare in both stock and reorder label. When the reorder label is less than or equal to stock, the row color and back color will change. The row color and back color will be different. If stock less than or equal, it can be equal or less than reorder label. Then what display? I'm going to show grid1 dot rows I dot back color. This code is for change the back color. Back color will be color dot, or you should add the reference color using system.drawing, or you can write it manually in the using section using system.drawing. Color.red, when the stock less than or equal reorder label, then the back color will display as red. View in browser, right click and click on the view in browser. Oh, out of range. See that index is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is stock and 5 is reorder label. So I'm sorry, I wrongly put 4 and 5. It would be 3 and 4. Okay, now refresh. See that the 10 is less than 15, that's why its back color is red, and 20 is less than 20 is equal to 20, that's why it's red, and the third one is also match the condition, that's why the back color is red. And, and I'm gonna add another code else stock is not less than or equal. Else means stock is not less than or equal, then the back color will be green. And I'm gonna change fore color to dot font fore color dot fore color will be yellow. Okay, you will match in red. Refresh. See that the back color is red and fore color is yellow. And else condition also same, the back color is green and fore color is default black. So now I also change the green's back color to back color is also white. Okay, now refresh. See that now it's show perfectly. This is just dynamically change the grid view row back color and fore color in ASP.NET C#. You can see all the tutorial in ASP.NET in my channel Swift Learn 24. Now I'm gonna add a new column, a new record 5 10. See that 10 less than 20, that's why the back color and fore color will be. Now I'm gonna show how to change alternative row back color For doing this, just comment the GridView Row databound, just for disable it. Now view in browser, see that not could execute, that's why it's now normal mode. Click the grid view and go to the source. See that this is the grid view. Here is also header style back color. This is header style back color and fore color. Now I'm gonna edit the code to change alternative row style back color. Alternative row style means the one after one row, then after one row. Alternative row style back color is red, and fore color is my favorite color of white. Okay, it's not only my favorite color, it's everybody's favorite color is white, and it's user friendly. See that the alternative row back color also changed. Now just to refresh the page, see that it's happened after one row.